In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Fresha booking link to your Instagram profile. If you want to make it easier for clients to book with you directly from Instagram, this is a simple setup that can make a big difference. Once your booking link is added to your profile, people who visit your page can quickly tap through and schedule an appointment without needing to message you first or search for your booking page manually. To get started, open the Fresha Partner app. From there, go to Settings, then find Online Booking. In this section, you'll see your venue or booking link. This is the direct link you want to share with your clients, so go ahead and copy it carefully. Make sure you copy the full link so it works properly when someone taps it later from Instagram. Once you've copied the link, leave Fresha and open Instagram. Go to your profile page and then tap Edit Profile. This is where you can update the information that appears publicly on your account, including the links visitors can use to reach your website or booking page. Inside Edit Profile, select Links, and then choose Add External Link. This option lets you place a custom clickable link directly on your Instagram profile. In the link field, paste the Fresha booking link you copied earlier. Then, for the title, enter Book Now. This title is important because it tells visitors exactly what the link is for, and it keeps your profile looking clear and professional. After that, tap Done to save your changes. Once it's saved, the link will appear on your Instagram profile, and anyone visiting your page will be able to tap it to go straight to your Fresha booking page. As a quick tip, after saving everything, it's a good idea to visit your profile and test the link yourself. That way you can confirm it opens the correct booking page and works smoothly for your clients. Keeping this link active and easy to find can help turn profile visits into real bookings. That's it. You've now connected your Fresha booking link to your Instagram profile, making it much easier for people to book with you online.